Hello, assalamu alaikum beautiful people. This is your girl here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. आज मैंने ऑलमोस्ट 20 डेज़ के बाद फ़ोन उठाया है रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए। जो भी थे ट्रैवल व्लॉग्स वगैरह वही था बस। एंड आज मैंने फ़ोन उठाया है तो मेरे को एक्चुअली अभी नहा के आई हूँ, ब्रेकफास्ट हो गया है एंड अभी मेरे को एक्चुअली घर के थोड़े काम करने थे एंड आई वांटेड टू शेयर सम Amazon प्रोडक्ट्स विद यू। सो आई थॉट कि क्यों ना मैं रिकॉर्ड कर लेती हूँ ऐसे ही एंड एक छोटा सा व्लॉग भी डाल दूँगी। सो स्किन केयर मुझे करना है वगैरह वगैरह। तो येस, लेट मी जस्ट शो यू द फर्स्ट थिंग। The first thing which we got is this washing machine cover for Bosch. Although this area is hole secured, but नीचे वाला जो पार्ट है ignore the कपड़ास, but ये जो mesh है तो इधर से जब बारिश होती है तो it directly hits the washing machine and we needed something to cover that, so we got that. And अभी मैं दिखाऊंगी तो there is a zip here and there is दोनों तरफ के zip खोलेंगे तो you will get your washing machine. So let me just wash the clothes and then show you the next product. The next 3 products that I've got basically skincare from Amazon. I know the light is a little bit iffy. Let me just try to open this window. Is it better? I think it's a little bit better. But the 3 products that I have got is basically in these boxes. So first thing, let me show it to you guys. I got my face wash. This is a restock, as in my face wash got over and I have got another one, and this is my third tube or tub or whatever you call it. So this is Salicylic DS and it has salicylic acid. It's from the brand Cipla. So it is available in the pharmacies, but I was not getting it in any of the pharmacies around here. So I ordered from Amazon, and on Amazon you're supposed to order 2 of these, like you can't order just one. So I ordered 2 because I will need it, and as my pharmacies don't have it, so it's better to have a restock. So this is what I ordered. The first thing is this, and it's got pH 5.5 and it's a foaming face wash and it's a 60 ml product. Right, so this is what I got, and let me just open it and show it to you guys. No, wait. So this is how the face wash will look like. As you can see, I've used it. It comes with a cap, but I've lost the cap. I don't know how and where, but yeah. So this is how it looks like, and it's in the foam form. So I've just used this on my face, and this is what I'll be using next once that is done. The next thing that I got, it's a Nutriderm moisturizing lotion with vitamin E. As you know, I only use the Pond's gel one, but I heard a lot of good reviews about it, so I thought I'll give it a try. My Pond's lotion was almost at the end of getting over, so I thought I'll get it. I haven't used this yet. I wanted to use it on the camera first time. So this is how it looks like. I remember the packaging was different earlier on because I saw a couple of YouTubers use it and they had a different packaging. This is a new packaging right now, and it's a very beautiful looking packaging with silver cap, and it's mentioned Nutriderm moisturizing lotion vitamin E. So this is a non-comedogenic product, means it will not clog your pores and cause you irritation and acne as such. And all the ingredients are very neatly mentioned here. So they have just mentioned soothes skin, relieves dry skin conditions, calms sunburned skin, and keeps skin hydrated. A potent antioxidant that quenches oxidized cells, inhibits free radicals, and activates healthy skin cells. So this is the product, and as you can see, I haven't used it. It's still sealed. So let's try this out today on the camera itself. The smell of this is very similar to the Johnson's Baby smell not the new smell, but the old Johnson's Baby smell. Yeah, it smells like that, and that's one smell I definitely like. I don't like scented and heavily fragrant anything for that matter. So let me just pop the cap back on and take a dollop of it. Okay. This is how it looks like. It is very light. It's just like Johnson's Baby Cream, honestly. So I will just apply on my face. From the first impression, I feel it is very moisturizing, very hydrating, and it's not very sticky, and not very heavy on the face. So I will have to wear it and see how it is, because if it's very heavy, then I will start sweating around my mustache and my forehead area. So I'll tell you after some time as to how that fares. So the next thing that I got was this La Shield Frisco Matte Sunscreen Gel. This was a recommendation by Shweta Vijay Iyer, and I follow her through and through. So this is also dermatologically tested. It's chemical filter free, and it's water resistant up to 8 hours. You saw from my previous vlogs that I was traveling a lot, and summer is here, and you need sunscreen even when you're at home. So I needed something for the outside. I have the Good Vibes one still, so I can use that at home. It's not that a great of a sunscreen, so I can use that at home because it has very minimal sunscreen SPF in it. So I can use that at home, and when I'm traveling outside, I will need something more protectant, like which gives me more protection. So I thought I'll get it, and this is SPF 50 plus PA plus plus. So this is what it looks like, and the price of this is 630 rupees. And I think since I bought it from Amazon, there was delivery charges of 45 rupees. Same goes for this Nutriderm as well. So the price on Nutriderm, I think it was 860 rupees or something. I'll put the details in the description and in the side, so you guys know. So it is 25% micronized zinc oxide. So this is how it looks like from the outer packaging, and when you open, there is a seal there. When you remove the flap, you will get this sunscreen, which looks like this, with the orange cap, and pretty much the same details mentioned here. Yeah, so there's a lot of instructions on the back, like store below and ingredients and all of that. So always do a patch test. I recommend you guys always do a patch test. So I've got this as a sunscreen. Let's just open and see how the consistency looks like. But I totally believe Shweta Vijay, and I blindly follow her because her recommendations have definitely worked on my skin. So I do believe her a lot. Yeah, this, I'm just trying to remove the seal. There is not much of a scent. I don't smell any scent as of now, but yeah, the consistency is thick, as you can see, and as what I know from it doesn't leave a white cast, which is really good. I'm just applying it on my face. Just take a pea size because that's enough for your face. Here it has this very like silicone texture, like not exactly silicone but somewhere similar to that. I felt like as if I've applied like a primer on my face. So that's how I felt. And as you can see, there was no white cast. It got absorbed very fast on my skin. As you guys always know that I have to apply sunscreen 45 minutes to at least 20 minutes before you go outside, but 45 minutes is what they typically say to, apply sunscreen before.